Hi everybody, today I am pleased to announce that Academic Presenter can render your presentations into video formats directly without using any third-party application. This ability was one of the most requested features that help both academicians and practitioners. By using this new feature, you can present in places without the internet connection to utilize online service or privilege to install the offline version. Practitioners can also employ this technique to export their presentation to the YouTube website or similar services. However, please note that generated videos do not have audio and the frame per second is set to 30. Therefore, this is a complementary approach to the screen grabbing method. In order to build video out of your presentation, choose Export Video from the File menu. A dialog will appear asking to choose your file location and format. Three encoding formats are presented: uncompressed AVI file, compressed MP4, and WMV file formats. Uncompressed AVI file has much higher quality as well as larger file size. Therefore, select the encoding format based on your needs. After pressing OK, Academic Presenter runs your presentation and insert each frame into the video file. In the title bar, you can also see the progress report. I want this YouTube channel to be a conversation medium, so please write in the comment section what would you want to see in the next version of Academic Presenter. Cheers!